Hi there, and welcome to A&P with Dr. O. The final type of cartilage is elastic cartilage. We mentioned in one of our prior videos that we didn't want to confuse this with elastic tissue. And if we visually are looking now at elastic cartilage, even though they both have elastic fibers, one striking difference that we can visually see are, again, those cartilage cells, those chondrocytes. That's what's really going to give this cartilage, or any cartilage, a very distinct visual appearance. In this image here, this area is going to be our elastic cartilage. And again, I did go ahead and blow up part of that just so that we can see it a little bit better. We've got these dark purple fibers here, and those are going to be the elastic fibers, and they are in that matrix, which again is kind of like a firm gel when we're talking about the matrix of cartilage. And we can see our chondrocytes. We can spot our nuclei. They are a little more faint, but that's okay. We can still see a little bit darker circle. That tells us there are cells inside these little lakes, these little lacunae structures. And if I draw just a line from here, this then will be our chondrocytes in lacunae. We, of course, can see them in here, but they're just a little bit smaller. They're a little easier to identify in that image that's at a little bit higher of a magnification. Elastic cartilage is found in the epiglottis. It's also found in the auricle, and that's the flap of your ear. And I think that's a great location to think about and to demonstrate the elastic nature of that cartilage. If you take your auricle, that flap of your ear, and you bend it down and then you let go, it springs right back into place. And that's because of the elastic fibers in that elastic cartilage. It provides support and it tolerates distortion without damage, and as we just mentioned, can return to original shape. When we're trying to decide if this truly is elastic cartilage and not fibrocartilage or hyaline cartilage, we've got two clues. The biggest clue is the elastic fibers. They are very dark in that matrix and they really pop out. Remember, in hyaline, we can't see the collagen fibers because they don't stain well. And then in fibrocartilage, we can see them kind of brushed on or painted on in a fibrous manner, but they are not dark and distinct like these elastic fibers. Also, this is where we're going to have the largest chondrocytes. So the chondrocytes are large, and we can kind of make a note of that if we want. We're going to have larger chondrocytes. The smallest we'll see will be in the fibrocartilage. And that's another way to tell the cartilages apart.